I've been in calorie deficit for 5 months now, so that has given me a lot of time to figure out what foods work for me and what foods don't. So I'm going to show you as quickly as possible foods that I eat almost every day or regularly. Okay, starting off with fruit and veg, these potatoes are the best. Mash, chips, however you want potatoes, these are the best. Berries, super low calories and can add them to any kind of sweet dish you want. Watermelon is really low in calories and high volume. Carrots for carrot sticks if you need something to snack on. These salads are really good for a quick and easy dinner. Cook some mince, chuck it on top, have a couple of corn chips on the side, and that is dinner done. Baby spinach I add to quite a lot of meals. I have also found if you buy it loose like this from your fruit and veg shop, it lasts a lot longer than if you buy it pre-packaged. Eggs, I would have eggs nearly every day, 1 or 2 eggs a day at least. One of my most recent favorite meals is sourdough with some cottage cheese and avocado on top. Sprinkle some bagel seasoning on top as well, and it's a really good high protein meal. If you like pasta, this is a really good high protein option. I've also just discovered this one, which I haven't tried yet. It is really high in protein. It's a bit more expensive, so just be mindful of that. I think I'm going to make pasta chips out of it and see how they go. Protein yogurts, either of these are really good options. I've also been adding some of this in it lately, and it's like 5 calories for a serve of this, so would definitely recommend. Sugar-free maple syrup and light whipped cream. Great if you're making protein pancakes. Add some strawberries or berries on top. Have this chocolate at least a few times a week. Just 1 row, 3 squares with a cup of tea. It's like 60 calories. Sandwich thins is what I use for bread most of the time. Country Split is also a good bread, but they don't have it at my local Coles. This is the butter that I use if I am putting it on bread. This is the milk that I drink with when I have coffee. They've just reduced to clear it at Coles, so it's no longer available. Unfortunately, I just drink soy milk because I like the taste. And I'm a bit sad I'm going to have to find an alternative now. Also just discovered this protein Greek yogurt. And personally, I don't mind it as a sour cream replacement. I wouldn't really eat it on its own. It's not that nice just to have on its own. I'd go for the YoPro or the Too Good. If I'm feeling like cereal, this is what I would normally have. I have just found a higher protein version of it. So I'm not sure what they taste like, but I'm sure they're probably the same for more protein. And lastly, these cake bars from Cadbury are actually quite good. Something I would have at the end of the day when I am trying to sit down and relax. Also forgot protein balls, really good afternoon snack with a cup of tea or your favorite protein bar. Heaps of what I eat in a day videos on my page to see how that all comes together. Click on the plus button.